Hi everybody, it's Deb from Deb's Crochet Cafe. How's everybody doing today? I am going to show you how to do the Suzett Stitch. It is a stitch that I've always been wanting to try and I haven't yet. First things first, whatever yarn you're gonna use. I'm going to go ahead and make a slip knot. The way I've been doing it for years. And then I'm using a crochet hook, 6.0. Hang on a minute, I gotta get my other eyeballs on. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It's a 6.0 millimeter. It's a J hook. Okay. And then we're gonna chain 21. The best bet is not to do it too tight, but loosely. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Excuse me. And now what we're going to do is this second stitch behind. So we're working behind the loops, behind the chain stitch. So you're just going to flip it over. See how it looks like it's braided this side? We're going to go on the back this way. There's our first one. Here's our second one. We're going to go in that one. And we're going to do a single crochet and a half or double crochet. Okay. You're going to skip one, go to the next. Whoop. And we'll do another single crochet. And a double crochet. Okay. Skip one, go to the next. Single crochet and double crochet in that same stitch. And you're going to work that until you get to the end, which I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, now we're at the end, and we have one stitch left. So what you're going to do in that last stitch is you're going to do just one single crochet in that last stitch. If I can, yeah, I got it. Okay. So that's one single crochet. Chain one and turn your work. In that same one, we're going to do one single crochet. And then skip one. And every single crochet from now on, we're going to do one single crochet and one double crochet. And then after a couple of rows, you'll start seeing the pattern of it starting to show up. But it seems like that don't look right. Hold on. Okay. One single crochet. And sorry, that was my bad. I did it in the top of the double crochet. So we're going to do it in here as a single crochet. and do 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in each chain or single crochet. So that's my first one. Second one, we're going to go in here because we're going to skip 1 and go into the next, which is your next single crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We're going to do that all the way to the end. So skip 1, single crochet into the next, and double crochet in the same. Okay, do it one more time. Single crochet. Whoops. Single crochet. And double crochet in the same stitch. Alright. Skip 1, single crochet, and double crochet. Next one, single crochet, and double crochet. Okay, and we're going to, I will meet you at the end, okay? Be right back. Okay, now I'm at the end. And we're going to skip 1. We're going to go into the last stitch and do 1 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, and we're going to continue. This is repeat into the first single crochet, which is right here. So we're going to skip that one and go into this one. That's your single crochet there, and then your double crochet. And we're going to continue that all the way through on how long you want your swatch to do, or your swatch. I'll have that tutorial tomorrow. I will be showing how much I've done of mine tomorrow. And hope to talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye.